My name is Benablo. I am from the Philippines. I am a VSO volunteer working with the Darhan Health Department as originally as a nurse trainer, and I was the position was changed to health management advisor.
Initially, we thought it's almost impossible to achieve anything because government officials and decision makers who have the most of powers and resources don't really understand about national volunteering and the community as well. But with support from our partners, we managed to achieve quite a lot.
It was difficult for the directors to understand what national volunteering is all about. So we decided to bring these people for a study tour in the Philippines, hoping that they would be able to see successful projects in the Philippines. And I should say that it was a very successful trip because when we came back to Mongolia, the directors were so enthusiastic to implement the National Volunteer Project. And we took off from there. One of the problems of Mongolia is that they cannot provide adequate free medicines to the community. So we would like the volunteers to help promote the primary health care, make the community aware that there is such thing as prevention rather than cure, make the community aware that injection is not good all the time, that they need to visit family clinics for advice and some counseling services maybe from the nurses and from the doctors. The doctors are overworked but underpaid. National volunteering really made the doctors happy because they have some free time off from the community work. The volunteers are doing now the primary health care, which makes the doctors have more time in the clinic and give quality services to the populace. We started as a pilot project, and in so short time, the Ministry of Health has already recognized the value of the project, its practicality, and in terms of applicability to the healthcare delivery system. So the Ministry of Health are exploring some possibilities to replicate this to the entire country.
I think national volunteering has really good potential because there are already available very powerful human resources, the volunteers. So the advantage of volunteers are community members themselves, encouraging, empowering people to improve their livelihood, and mobilizing their resources is cost effective, and it takes a shorter time to improve the livelihood of poor people.
I would like to leave Mongolia with my heart smiling that the project will sustain for a long time. So we would like the participation of the government officials, and we would like to elevate this matter to the policy level. Because there are still issues like allowance of the volunteers, little financial support to the volunteers, because there is no policy yet made for them. So we would like to underpin everything that we have done here through a policy that will be passed by the government.
VSO-Mongolia is working mainly on two objectives within the national volunteering program. First of all, to raise awareness of government officials and NGO sector and other organizations. Together with our partners, we organize campaigns like International Volunteer Day so that people and government officials understand more what is national volunteering. And the second objective is that we work towards is the capacity building. We build capacity of our partners and how to manage volunteers, how to manage the volunteering project and programs so that the programs have a good impact on the lives of the poor people.
I think it's very, very important that VSO is supporting national volunteering as part of its way of working. we've seen in Mongolia how that works effectively in terms of combining the impact of international volunteers together with national volunteers. In terms of making our programs sustainable, I think a lot of people question what international volunteering can do in terms of sustainability of its programs, but the national volunteering element brings that in and enables us to plan an exit strategy from the country and where we're going, because national volunteers will take the work forward